Hey, hey, hey! We're back! Season 2! Back on the air. Biddle's back. Yay. Biddle, how you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me. And for those who don't recognize me, I grew a beard while I was on my paternity leave. So same guy, just with a beard now.
Yeah, excited to be here. My first Twitch stream. So I feel like my kid finally thinks I'm cool and is interested in what I'm doing these days.
So when it comes to cloud financial management, which is what we do, the very first thing that we recommend our customers to do is to take care of their visibility.
It allows customers to be able to look at their compute usage by how much they're spending per hour and make a commitment up to a certain amount where they would receive a discounted price.
There's 3 types of accountability, which is self-accountability, finance accountability, and business accountability.
AZ Affinity. And the gist of it is you want to try to keep all of your data transfer inside a single AZ as much as possible.
And so you can just set up a simple lifecycle policy on this. It's essentially one click that will delete these incomplete multi-part uploads.
In order to deliver elasticity, we need spare. So why don't we make that spare available to you at a super cheap price, up to 90% off the on-demand price? But then, yeah, the big sort of caveat is, well, when we need that server back, you need to be able to handle us taking it off you.
Yeah.
And so that's the big part of Spot that makes it both difficult and powerful.
AWS uses the sort of the UN definition of sustainability. So it's about meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs.
So I'm gonna take it and post my score to LinkedIn. So if anybody wants,
Yeah,
to
definitely.
I'm in.
All right, I'm gonna take the challenge. I'm gonna do it there with you. Make it a game. I mean, you can make anything a game in that standpoint. I mean, I know Steph, if I add prizes to anything on the team, she's most likely going to be in first place at some point.
I wondered if you guys have got any really, if you've got any other specific stories that you wanted to share with customers.
We were actually just working with a customer recently where it turned out within their environment kind of had a large subset of EC2 instances that were part of a deprecated workload. They're
like, okay, that. Because literally when I did the Jenkins one and somebody sent me their architecture diagram, saw the picture of Jenkins, the logo, and I was like, oh, change that to Spot. Make some savings there.
But I spent a lot of time talking to people about the Graviton Fargate announcement.
They increased the capacity, at the same time they were rolling this out. So they realized a net monthly savings while also being able to add in, an additional petabyte of storage at basically no additional cost.
Yeah, it's that balance, because people don't want to. I always found that with developers, they're like, oh, we could prioritize saving money, but we could prioritize getting things out the door. And it's like, no, you need to build efficiently in the first place. And how do you measure that? I'm getting lots of job offers in the chats, guys. I just want to let you know.
Trusted advisor first, and then we started moving on to more interesting topics.
Andy, before...
Sorry. Biddle, you promised the people puppies. There are those little puppies. Gesture to them in the background. So cute. Dashboards. If you just wanted to... Oh, hello.
Dexter wanted to talk about his favorite announcements before the end of the show.
And also, if you have any kind of suggestions or recommendations of episodes going forward, or want to come on the show, feel free to email us at costoptimization@amazon.com.